Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's package I have in front of me is from Madam Glam, and we all know and love Madam Glam. So this is what's on the side of the box. Okay, so this is from their House of Love collection, and they was kind enough to send me over 4 colors. I got to choose which colors I wanted. So these are the 4 colors that I chose. So if you want to see what these colors look like, stay tuned, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good. Okay, so this is what the front of the bottle looks like, and each bottle has a different look to it. I really love how they did this. This is really pretty. And like I said, this is from the House of Love collection, and this is what the back of the bottle looks like. And then all their polishes have the color on top as well. And this one is Love Energy. Now I've already swatched this just to save some time, but if you know me, you know I love pink, and I probably got every shade of pink you could imagine until I don't. But this color is so freaking pretty. I love Madam Glam formula because they go on so smoothly. It only takes 30 seconds to cure under the light. And so this is what that color looks like. Really pretty pink. Really pretty. So I do have a discount code for you guys. You can save 30% off. Now, if you're VIP, you can't do 30% off. But if you're just paying as you go, you can do the 30% off. And I'll have that on the screen as well as down below, along with the link that'll take you directly to the website. So the next color is this little beauty here. And it's Synergy. This is such a pretty color as well. It gives me like a purplish, pinkish vibes. Really pretty. And so this is what that color looks like. And that's what the bottle looks like. Then the next two is my absolute favorite. And this one is called Magic Dust. So it has that shimmer in it. Such a pretty color. So it gives me like that rose gold look. Now I have two, and they are quite similar, but one has more of a pinker undertone than the other one does. Really pretty, and I love the way this applies. And this one was Magic Dust. And this is Magic Dust. I hope this camera is doing this color justice because it's an absolute gorgeous color. It's a must-have. It's a must-have. I absolutely love this color. So once again, that one was Magic Dust. And then the last color is Supernova Love. Okay, so this one has more of that rose gold. More of a pinker color, I should say. Really pretty. I apologize if you guys hear any background noises. And this is the color. Such a pretty color. So I suggest you guys getting these 2 colors because these 2 colors are absolute gorgeous. So like the color to the right has more of the pink undertone, but they're absolutely gorgeous, and you can definitely tell them apart when they're close together, up close and personal. On camera you might not be able to see it as well, but I'm definitely happy that I chose these 2 colors. And you know me, like I said, I'm a pink girl, so I'm gonna always go for pink. So once again, these are all 4 colors. Here, let's do this. Put that one in the middle. Okay, so these are all 4 colors. Really pretty. And like I said, this is from the House of Love collection. So pretty.
So now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create a simple marble look. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I come up with, stay tuned and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into that part. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with I think I'm gonna do these 3 colors as my marble. And I'm gonna use this one as my base color.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
Okay guys, so here is the finished nail look. I opted in to go in with the matte on top, and I just left this one shiny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Everything will be linked down below, so if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from Madam Glam, make sure you use that 30% off discount code if you're not already using VIP. And once again, these are all of the colors, the 4 colors that I chose. Very pretty. And tell me what you think about this look. Leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed.